Are you looking for a dumpster rental in Winter Garden, Florida? Welcome to Lady Waste Corp, your local expert in sustainable waste management. At Lady Waste Corp, we provide quick, affordable, and reliable waste management solutions tailored to your needs. No matter the scale of your project, from a simple home cleanout to extensive construction debris removal, our wide range of dumpster sizes is equipped to handle all types of waste efficiently. We pride ourselves on our professionalism and commitment to the community of Winter Garden. Our team is dedicated to providing you with efficient service and support every step of the way. Choose Lady Waste Corp for your dumpster rental needs in Winter Garden, Florida, where service meets sustainability standards. We're here to help you keep your project on track and your site clean. Choosing us means choosing a hassle-free experience that keeps your project on track. Need assistance or ready to book? Give us a call at 321-414-0014. Our team is here to help you every step of the way. Visit our website at www.ladywastecorp.com Dumpster Rental Winter Garden FL to view our dumpster options and find the perfect fit for your project. Lady Waste Corp, your partner in keeping Winter Garden clean and green. Experience Lady Waste Corp's difference in dumpster rental in Winter Garden, Florida.